Welcome back to my channel. I hope we are all doing great. What is a Canada Open Work Permit? A Canada Open Work Permit is a type of work permit that allows foreign individuals to work for any Canadian employer of their choice, without the need for a specific job offer. Unlike other work permits, which are tied to a particular employer or job, an open work permit provides flexibility and the freedom to explore various employment opportunities in Canada. Here are 7 benefits of having an open work permit in Canada. 1. Flexibility. With an open work permit, you have the freedom to work for any employer in Canada without the need for a job offer or sponsorship. 1. This allows you to explore different industries and gain diverse work experience. 2. Career growth. Working in Canada can provide you with opportunities for professional development and career advancement. 2. By gaining Canadian work experience, you can enhance your skills and qualifications, making you more competitive in the job market. 3. Income stability. Having an open work permit allows you to secure a stable source of income. 3. This can support your living expenses and financial goals while you are in Canada. 4. Networking opportunities. Working in Canada allows you to connect with professionals in your field and build a valuable network of contacts. 4. Networking can open doors to new career opportunities, mentorship, and collaborations. 5. Cultural exchange. Working in a different country exposes you to new cultures, customs, and perspectives. 5. This cross-cultural experience can broaden your horizons, promote personal growth, and improve your adaptability. 6. Social benefits. As a worker in Canada, you may be eligible for social benefits such as healthcare coverage and access to public services. 6. These benefits ensure your well-being and provide a safety net during your stay in the country. 7. Pathway to permanent residence. For many individuals, an open work permit can be a stepping stone towards obtaining permanent residence in Canada. 7. By gaining Canadian work experience, you may become eligible to apply for various immigration programs that prioritize skilled workers. Please note that specific eligibility criteria, regulations, and application processes may apply when obtaining an open work permit in Canada. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more updates.